Hi Dhanraj, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. Okay, Dhanraj. So you
Yes,
have
sir.
applied for a front-end developer profile. So we'll
Yes, sir.
start with your quick intro.
Sir, my name is Dhanraj Patil. I have completed my graduation in instrumentation branch from Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon. And now I am currently working as a content developer and I have 1 year experience. Um, that is it.
Okay, so you have 1 year experience, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you just explain me about your projects that you have worked on?
Sorry, sir.
Can you explain me about your projects that you have worked on?
Sir, basically, now I'm working on the JavaScript coding.
Okay, okay, fine. So why should we hire you?
Sir, if you hire me, it will be a great platform to showcase my skill. And the goals I set, I ensure to complete them within a time period. Sir.
Okay, okay. So what is HTML?
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to design web pages and web apps.
What are the differences between the previous versions of HTML and the latest HTML5?
The difference is that the current version is the HTML5 version and latest version, and previous version is the HTML4 version. In the previous version, doctor declaration is very complicated, but in this latest version, the doctor declaration is very simple. And in latest version, some new tags are introduced, uh, like strong, emphasis, uh, audio, video, etc.
Okay. What is the difference between the inline elements and the block level elements?
The inline element always start on the same line, and block element are always start on the new line. And inline elements, we cannot apply top and bottom margin. And in a block element, we can apply the all side margins. And in inline element, height and width we cannot apply. And to the block element, we can apply the height and width to the block elements. In an inline element, it accepts the width of the inline element. It's equals to its content, and width of the block element. It always accepts the width of its parent width, 100% parent width.
Okay. Can you tell me the examples of that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me the examples of that inline and block level elements?
By, by sharing the screen, sir.
No, no. Just tell me the
Just
examples of
example.
elements.
Inline element is a image anchor tag and button, strong, label, and block elements, paragraph, heading, div, etc.
Okay. What is the difference between the section tag and the paragraph tag?
The section tag is a semantic tag. Both are semantic tag. In a section tags, we put some other tags. In paragraph tags, we contain the content. We write the information in paragraph tags.
No, no. Difference between section and div tag.
Section and div.
Yes.
Sorry, you told me paragraph. Sorry. In a section tags, we can put the number of divs, sir. In section tag also we can do different types of tags. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes. So I was asking about what is the difference between section and div tag.
In a section tag, sir, we can use the div tag and a header, footer, but and in a div tag, we can also use the paragraph, heading, or any other semantic tags.
Yes, but what is the difference between them? Means why we use section? Why you use section and why you use div? When you will use?
The section, it creates a section in a web page, and div is a number. In a section, we can create a number of division.
Yes, correct. Okay. So which are the HTML tags are used to display the data in tabular form?
So first is a table
Yes.
tag. Inside the table tag, we use the t head tag and a t body tag. And in a t head tag, one is the tr and ts tag. Inside the tr tag, we use the ts tag, and t body tag, we use the tr and td tags.
Yes. Okay. As you said, semantic. What is mean by the semantic HTML?
Semantic HTML is it what which contain in that element.
Okay. What is the HTML article element?
So HTML article is specified independent self-content content and the potential source of this article that is blog post, news stories, etc.
Okay. What is the difference between text align and float?
So float is a property which is positioning the formatting content, and if you sum the property to by using float, that is we can float the element left, right, and by text align, sir, we only take the by we only move text inside the elements by using the text align.
Okay. What is iframe tag?
Sorry, sir.
What is iframe tag?
Sorry, sir. I couldn't get chance.
You didn't use it.
Is that icon? I think it is an icon.
No, no. Okay, fine. So what is the attribute?
The attribute, it gives the information of an HTML element to the browsers.
Examples of attribute.
src, hrefs, alter, title. These are attributes.
Okay. What is URL encoding?
URL. I think, sir, it is a link, sir, hyperlink.
No, no. URL encoding. Why URLs are encoded in HTML?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. What is CSS?
CSS stands for cascading style sheets. It is used to describe the how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screens.
Yes. And how many positions are there in CSS?
There are sir. One is a static, second position, fourth one is a fixed position, and one is a static sticky positions.
What is the difference between position relative and position absolute?
Sir, the position relative and position absolute, sir, absolutely.
Yes.
Sir, when we position relative, then it's the position an element we position relative. The element is the position adjust itself from itself, sir. And when we apply the position to element is the position absolute, then it is the adjust or it relates from the element which we use the position related to that element.
Can you explain me with the example?
By sharing screen.
Yes, yes. The difference between position relative and position absolute.
Are you seeing my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, it is visible. I think your internet connectivity is not that much good. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can share this. But don't take it into the center, just move it. Okay, and
Yes.
show me left or right.
Sir, this red div is the relative. If you want to relate it's the red div, then we use its position left. It's
Yes.
200 pixel
Correct.
left, sir.
Yes.
And its position absolute to from its red, sir.
So what is the difference here?
The difference is there, sir, by giving the position relative
Mhm.
to the main.
Firstly, tell me relative. The first
Sir,
element is relative, and you have moved it to the left. So according to which respect to which it is moved to the right or sorry, from left.
with respect to itself, sir, move away from
Yes.
its viewport, sir. 200 pixels, sir.
Hello.
Itself. Hello.
Dhanraj, your voice is not clear. Hi, yes.
Are you listening? Hello.
If you can stop the screen, then you will get a good speed. Okay, now yes. Tell me. Hi, yes. Dhanraj?
Yes, sir.
Yes, just explain me.
1 minute, sir. Sir, by giving position relative, sir, the first the red box is relate itself away from uh, itself, sir, 200 pixel.
Yes.
Sir, network issue, sir.
Is there my internet problem or yours?
Your voice
Hello.
is clear, sir. I'm able to hear you, sir.
Okay. Okay. I got your answer. You know the concept. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So we'll move with the another question. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
So why we use clear property? What is the use of clear property?
So to nullify the float effect, sir, we use the clear property. By saying value
Hello.
clear both. To assign the value clear both to nullify the float effect, sir.
Okay. And what is float?
Sir, float, we use the position the HTML element by using the float property. We can move the element left or right, sir.
We can align the element left or right. Okay. Okay. So what is Z index?
Z index, So there are the two box or elements are overlap. So if you want to be the view to be the first one, then we apply the index value uh, greater than 0. So
Why it is used?
it is used to show the hidden block or hidden element.
Okay. But overlap, we can use it for overlapping. Correct.
Or yes,
So what is gradient in CSS? Gradients.
sorry.
Did you use gradient color, linear gradient or radial gradient till now?
Gradient color is the combination of the RBC colors.
Yes, correct. Okay. What is the difference between linear gradient and radial gradient?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, fine. What is the outline?
Outline. Sorry,
How
sir.
you okay? Means do you know what means outline means you don't know about that anything?
Outline is outside border, sir.
Yes, correct. But how to use it, do you know?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. It is used the same as a border. Outline 2 pixel solid, red, black, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. What is the difference between class and ID? Selector.
So class is denoted by a dot sign, and ID is denoted by hash. And we can use the same tags number of times, but we cannot use. But ID is a unique, sir.
Okay.
And
What are the pseudo elements?
pseudo elements are the after before first letter, last letter.
And which are the
And
pseudo
pseudo elements are
classes?
denoted by the double colon. Pseudo class elements in pseudo class end type, first child, last child, end child, first end child even, end child old, then first of type, last of type, end of type, active, focus, cohort, etc.
Okay. Why we use overflow property and what are its values? Which are its values? Overflow. Did you use any time overflow property?
No, sir, I didn't use.
Overflow hidden for image.
No, sir, I didn't use, sir.
Okay, fine. What is a calci function?
Calci function, it is used to calculate the width, sir.
Means how it calculates the width.
Uh,
How do you use it?
can I give an example?
Yes, but you can tell it.
Yes, sir, can I explain? But
Okay. Yes, you can explain it with the example also. Your wish. As your wish, how you want to explain, you can.
yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm confused.
Okay, fine, Dhanraj. Okay. So what is JavaScript?
JavaScript, it is a double sound is produced.
Yes, sir. You are.
Hello.
So
Yes, sir.
what is JavaScript?
It's a light JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted object-oriented programming language, sir.
What is first class function?
The function which is used assign the value,
Which is
or the function which is used as a store as a value, sir.
okay. What is hosting?
Uh, Hosting is sir, all the declaration in the scope are get shifted to the top of the scope, sir.
Can you explain me the behavior of hosting with the example?
So here the declaration.
Yes.
Here, the declaration X is are get shifted at the top of this scope, sir. And so here, line number 2, we get the,
No.
sorry, sir, here undefined, sir. We get the property value undefined, sir.
So why it is means as hosting? Why it is said the declaration goes to the top of the page?
Sorry, sir.
No. Yes, you said correctly. Now console Y. There only console Y at next line. No. There only you can where you want to
Sir,
console you
but
can console.
only declarations are get shifted, sir, not values, sir, at
What
the top
happens?
of
Yes.
the
Okay.
only declaration X is get at top of this, sir. Declaration
Yes,
is
but
shift.
why it is coming undefined?
Because value is not shift at the top of the scope, because before we as a console declaration, so
Yes,
at
means
the
it is declared but not defined.
not assign
Okay.
defined, sir.
Yes.
Not assign the
Okay.
value.
Yes. Okay. So if we are getting any variables value undefined means it is declared in the program but it is having undefined value.
Undefined.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
What is the difference between not defined and undefined?
Sir, undefined, the declaration is declared but not assigned value, but in not defined, the declaration is not declared.
Okay. And which operator we use to um, get the type of any variable?
We use the triple equals to or strictly equals to, sir,
No,
to
no,
get
to
the
find
value.
the type, for finding the type, what we use. So, as
Type.
you took the, you can show me that, share your screen. You have one example, no? Let x equals to 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now console the type of this x at the line number 4.
Sir, and here we get uh, type of, sir.
Type of. There it will not come. There it will come undefined only. You have to take it at next line,
Yes, sir.
fourth number line.
So if we put in the line number 4, then it's the numbers are type is
So we
number.
use type of, correct?
Yes, sir, type of.
Okay. So what is scope?
The, the availability and accessibility of a declaration in a scope, sir.
How many types of scope, and can you explain me the types of scopes with the
There are
example?
basically 3 types of scopes, sir. One is the block scope, functional scope, and global scope.
Okay, can you
Functional
explain me
scope,
all the scopes with the example?
yes, sir. Sir, here I is creates the block scope, sir. And, it's only available in the block scope, sir.
Yes. Okay, you can take the examples. Means firstly write the 3
Block
scopes:
scope.
functional,
Yes.
functional, block, and window scope examples, and then you can explain me one by one. First take functional, it will go easy for you. Lastly
Yes.
take the block scope.
Block.
Okay.
Yes.
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 First explain me only global and local.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, in a function scope, sir, the declaration is only available in the functions, within the function, sir.
Mhm.
But a function scope, it can accept the outside the value. Yes, sir.
First, explain me global scope. You have x equals to 10, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can we
X is
use
in
that?
X is in a global scope, sir,
Okay.
and it is accessible to in a function. So we can X is we can access in a function or a block scope, sir.
Okay. Means in
But
overall, all the programs throughout the programs from where it is declared, it is accessible, correct?
yes, sir.
Now explain me the functional scope.
So the function scope means that all the declaration in the function scope is only accessible and available for the within the function, sir,
Okay.
not outside of the
Okay.
function.
So which declaration did you take to in functional scope?
Suppose we take the value, let x is equal to 30, then 30 is only accessible in a function, sir, and let
Okay.
y is equal to 20, then it is only accessible within the function, sir.
Okay. So I have a question.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Firstly, remove that fourth number line and second number line. That is not necessary. Okay. Second number line. Okay. And this fifth number line is this is also not needed, no? Fifth number line, fifth, because there is no late, nothing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now explain me all you have the variables and only tell me which variable is accessible where and why.
Sir, variable x and y is accessible within the function, and this is a line number for variable x is also accessible in the function, sir.
So what will be the value of x in the num function? Because you have x in global scope and you said it is accessible in functional scope, correct? And you
Yes,
have same variable name x in that function. So what will be the output of x at line number 10?
sir. Line number 10 output is 50, sir.
No, no. Line number 10, console only x. Remove that y. And you have called the function in wrong way. That is also xy is not needed. Remove that x and y from the argument. No, 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 not there, not there. In parameters.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
remove that. Okay. Remove this x also remove. Not needed. No,
Yes, yes.
call the function. Call that function, but don't pass any arguments or parameters. Call the num function. Okay. Yes. Not needed. Remove from the seventh number line x and y seventh number. Yes. Okay. Remove that. Okay. Save. Now tell me what will be the output of 10 number line. Take your time and tell me the output of 10 number line.
So here output is 30, sir.
But you said the global variable x is accessible everywhere.
Sir, but it x like line number 8 x is available, sir. It's available in global function scope, sir. First,
Functions.
it the top and then in the JavaScript, the code will execute top to bottom, sir.
Okay. So we
But
can't
but
redeclare the variable, no? If you are using let.
sir, but we can declare, sir, but within the for different function, different scope, sir.
Yes. Okay. It should be in different scopes.
Oh,
Okay, fine. So this is about local and global scope. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes.
This is a yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now remove this code. Only keep the code of block scope now. Okay. Now explain me what is block scope.
Sir, here let is creates block scope, sir, and it is the value of the variable I. It cannot accessible outside the block scope. If you there is a console,
Hmm.
then it not be accessible, sir.
Okay. Means you are saying we are using let. That's why it is not accessible outside the function.
Outside
Outside the block. Okay. Then
because
use
it
where.
creates the block scope.
Then use where there at 8 number line and tell me what will be the output. Don't say the output. Just tell me what will be the output at line number 11.
Sir, output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir, because where does not create a block
No, no,
scope, sir.
no. Outside at 11 number line. Comment the 9 number line. Ninth number line you can comment.
Yes.
Now tell me what will be the output at 11 number line.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir.
No, you are wrong.
So where does not create the block scope.
But what will be the output at 11 number line? That I want to know. You can take your time. You can think you have a time.
Sorry, sir. Undefined, sir.
I think it will be a 6, 5 or 6. Check it now.
Sorry,
Can
sir.
run
Sir, sir, our answer is 5, sir. Only 5.
I think 6, bro.
5 plus 1.
You can check it now. You, run this program. Remove that debugger. No. From here. Okay. Why it is 0? What you have print? I.
I.
Why it is coming 0?
Sir, I is equals to 0, sir.
Okay.
Value of I is equals to 0.
Okay. So if you will take let there, what will happen?
What, sir?
You take to greater than or equals to. Take less than or equals to. That's why that is 0. You have took the reverse condition.
Less than or equals to.
Yes. Now it will come 6. Save.
Yes.
Okay. So now tell me, if I will take let there, what will happen?
Here,
Huh?
instead of where,
Yes. Now what will be the output at 11 number line?
output is undefined, sir.
Why?
Because let creates a block scope and the value of the directory it cannot access the outside, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. So tell me what is an array?
Array is a special type of variable, and array which is used to store the multiple relational data on the basis of index number, sir.
Okay. And what is the difference between push and pop?
Sir, by using the push method, we can add the element at the last index of an array, and by using the pop method, we remove the last index of an array.
Okay. Why we use splice?
Splice,
Yes.
the splice it is used to remove the element at any index, and we can add the elements at any index.
Okay. What is the difference between local time and UTC time?
Local time and
Yes. UTC time.
difference, sir. Hello.
Just tell me how to convert local time into UTC time.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, you can read after the interview. Okay. Yes. So, um, you have completed your filter methods, correct? What is a filter method?
Filter method it is used to create a new array, uh, and it's filtered.
Yes. It is a higher order function, correct?
Sir, it is had
Yes. It is a higher order function. And do you know how to use filter? Why it is used? Yes.
yes, sir, but little bit practice on it, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So you can share your screen. Take one array of numbers or names. You can take any array. Take some duplicates in that array. Take duplicates numbers 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 like that. Yes, you can take 20, 30 like. Means no. 11 will be one more time. Yes, yes, correct. No, Control Z, Control Z. Like this. Okay. I want some numbers to be repeated. Okay, you can take any numbers, but some numbers should be repeated.
Yes, sir.
Take 50, 60. Take one more time 50, 60. Okay, so now here we can see 11 is repeated, 50 is repeated. Okay, these two numbers are repeated. Okay, so you have to create a unique array from this. If it is repeated, you have to remove it from the array. So one element should be occurred only one time. Create a unique array. You have time, take your time, think what logic you can write, and then you can start.
Hello.
Dhanraj. You can use for each, not necessary to use filter only. Okay, but you can use if you are yes, you are good at filter. This is easy to use. Okay, so now you have to check every number if it is repeated. If repeated, don't add into the array.
But I'm confused now, sir. What the logic we can use?
Yes.
I'm confused now, sir.
No, a simple logic. No, if you have to check every number. If it is included already in array, then don't add. You can create new array and empty array. In that you can add every element. You can push every element by checking if it is present already in array. If not present, then add. If present, don't add.
Like that. By using a for each function.
Yes, you can use for each. Now, what you are means thinking to write in this if condition?
I'm thinking if number equals to
No, no, no. If number is present in that num array, correct?
yes.
That you have to check, no? If it is present, don't push. If it is not present, then push. Now it is empty.
How can I write?
You have a lot of array methods to check if the num is present in that. Tell me which method you will use to check if any element is present or not. Which array methods we use to check if the element is present inside an array?
Sorry, sir.
We have two methods, not one. If I have an array and I have to check Dhanraj is there or not in that names array, which method I will use?
Actually, I use only push, pop, ship, unship.
Okay, so we have includes and index of.
Yes.
Okay, what is why includes method is used?
Includes is used to the element is the present or not.
Or you only said the answer. So in that if condition, you can check includes method. You can write.
Mm.
Can you tell me your array name and what you are checking? Yes. And the element you are checking is num.
Include.
Okay. No, 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 no. If condition. No, no, no. Outside only. Control Z. Control Z. Next line. I mean, from last half here, you can add the curly brackets. There, after the if condition, you can add. If condition open करा ना. You can open the if condition. There. Right curly brackets. Enter. आणि याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काय घ्यायचं नाही नाही इफ कंडिशन क्लोज yes. So what logic you have written and where you are pushing, can you explain me from the 6th number line to 8th number line your code?
Sir, for a callback function, the num is iterated over the num array, and it takes the every element. It gets the every element of an array. And at line number 6, if the array dot includes the num is here is the present num, then it will push to the array line number in line number 4 array num1. Hello.
Yes, I think you have written some wrong because if you see at 6th number line, which will be the first element, first number?
11.
11. And in num 11 is already there. Every element will be already there, no? It is included. Yes. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Something you wrote wrong. You can think what you want to do there.
Sir, actually, I'm looking more practice on this includes.
No, it is easy task. Just you are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
not
But now I'm
focusing on
confused,
that.
sir.
Just focus on that. You will get the answer.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, I will tell you one more step. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what you have to do, listen now carefully. Okay,
Yes,
you have to create a new array num1. Okay,
yes, sir.
which have unique numbers. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Means you have to push every new element in that. If first element will go 11, okay,
Yes,
second time when it will come 11, then it should not push if it is included on or already in num1, and you have written if condition on num, your first array. So at 6 number line, just do num1. You have to push in that num1. Now your array is empty. If 11 is included, then only you are pushing. So you have to take not there. Take not negation
where, sir?
um, before num1.
Yeah.
Yes. Now think what we have written. Logic.
Mm, Suppose here the array is empty,
Correct.
uh, then include the num. If a num is present,
Not present. Then
not
push.
present, push.
Yes. Startingly 11 is not there. Correct.
Yes,
Now write the output downside. First element is gone into the num1, which is 11. Correct. Create one
yes,
array means comment there. Seventh number line. At the
yes.
seventh number line, comment. Write a comment. After that, no. After that, there. Okay. Take comment means now create array.
Num array.
No. Just take square brackets.
Yes,
11 is gone into this. Okay. First element you see. Now second element is which one?
11.
What will happen?
Second element.
Yes. What will happen?
uh,
It will check if
Suppose
11 is included.
included, then don't push it.
Correct. It
Yes,
will not push. It will
yes.
check the next element. Next
Next
element is
element is 72. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
okay. So
Yes,
you are not in present. That is your means that's the issue.
yes.
Okay. Save now.
I'm confusing, sir.
Yes. That's what I am saying. You are not in present.
Yes,
You
sir.
are thinking I have didn't practiced anything, so I am not getting. So that is not the issue. It is a simple example. Just you have to think about the logic. Okay. Now you can check the output. Save and check the output. So num dot include is not a function. Okay. So what is the issue with the include? Num1 dot includes. I think the method name is includes. Okay. Save.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So if you see there, 11 is not repeated.
yes, sir. Not
50 is
repeated.
not repeated. Okay. It is a unique
60 is
array.
not repeated.
Yes. Okay. Fine then, Raj. We are done with your interview. So do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.